Hi everyone! ASMR. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I got the Summer Beauty Box from Walmart. And I love this box because it's super cheap. How many of you guys remember when this box was only $5? Now I want to say it's like $7, which is still not too shabby of an offer considering it's still like under $10. And who doesn't love Walmart? Like, I'm sorry, I love shopping just in general. Walmart, Target, you name it all. You can find some good deals in all those stores, and Walmart has a lot of cool, nice beauty things. I may start doing maybe Walmart beauty hauls and Target hauls, or maybe just clothing haul. Like, I may do it, you never know. Telling you some fun stuff is up ahead for you guys. So keep staying tuned to my videos because you're going to have some fun new content. But nevertheless, if you guys want to know what I got in my Walmart beauty box, then what do I always say? What I always say? Just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aisha and I love all things beauty and girly related. I'm like the super duper 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 girliest person you'll ever meet. I love like makeup and clothes, jewelry, pink. I'm just typical girly girl. So my channel is mostly currently all beauty stuff, but I want to start branching off to maybe even fashion, to maybe, jewelry, clothes, a little bit of everything. Because lately, like I've been saying in my past videos, unfortunately, these subscription boxes is not cutting it lately. I remember when I used to be subscribed to like almost every subscription box at one point. I want to say not too long ago, but I have cut down tremendously with the beauty boxes. Now, I will say Walmart beauty box is still one of my favorite boxes to unbox. So I will not be, unsubscribing to Walmart. I'm going to keep this box. I love that it says what kind of box it is now. So if you, sometimes I look in the viewfinder when I show anything white because it doesn't really show too well on camera, but I'm looking in the viewfinder and it shows. So you'll see it says Summer Beauty Box 2022. In the past, they didn't have, what kind of box it was. So I'm like, is it summer, spring? Like, I don't know because I just don't know. But it is the summer box because it says it there. And if it says it, then that means that it is. So let's jump in and see this box. This is your sneak peek. So you got the little card on the top that tells you what you could get. And then that's your sneak peek. So the first thing I see here is something that I've used before. It's the Ambi Black Soap with Shea Butter. It says cleanses and nourishes skin. So I use a lot of the Ambi line. I was using like an Ambi, the stuff that said brightening on it because my skin goes through phases where I have like a lot of breakouts and I don't have any, but I had a point where I had a lot of breakouts and the Ambi brightness have actually helped lighten a lot of the spots that was on my face from acne breakout. So I am a firm believer in Ambi, and black soap is supposed to be good for your skin. Let me open this up to see if how it smells and everything. So that's what it looks like. It's in a plastic fill. I don't really smell anything, but it could just be because it's in plastic, but I definitely will use this. It says that this helps to moisturize and condition skin. It has vitamin E in it. So, very excited for that. Alrighty, so it looks like they gave us a liquid IV. It says, oh, this is pina colada flavor. So I've actually gotten another one of these, and I don't know. I think I got this in my FabFitFun box. Like, I don't know. One of the boxes gave this to me before. I might have got it in one of my Walmart boxes. I don't know. But one of the subscription boxes gave this to me. This flavor is golden cherry. This one is pina colada. And it says non-GMO electrolyte drink mix. So I probably should try these out. We shall see. So, oh, I forgot to show you that like little card thing that shows you like what you could get. So let's look about this liquid IV. So it says, get hydrated faster and more efficiently than drinking by water alone. This delicious non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins. Very good. I'm excited to try this out. Okay. You can all say hydrated. It's summertime. It's hot out. So I definitely have to try that out. The next thing I got is a little baby Cetaphil for dry to normal sensitive skin. A lot of people swear by Cetaphil. I've bought it but never like really used it because I felt the texture and I don't like kind of like cleansing milk textures. So I'm going to give this away. I'll keep it in my little big crate of stuff that I'm going to give away when I do my giveaways. The next thing I got is from Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. It's a Moisture Boost Protein Pack for your hair, which my hair is so dry, guys, so dry. So I'm really excited for this. It says intense moisture treatment restores dry, damaged, overprocessed, or color-treated hair. I will be using this probably tonight. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm probably gonna use it tonight. So I have to let you guys know about that. Do they tell you the prices? So that pack was $1.47. The bar soap was $1.92. Everything's very reasonable priced. The pack of these were $8.98, but I don't know how much one single one is. A full size of the Cetaphil would be $14.47. And then I got a Hello Vegan lip balm in sweet mint with coconut oil. So I love lip balms with that minty like taste to it, kind of. So I got a little lip balm, and it should be white because it's like just a lip balm and it's clear. It smells minty, but I don't smell the coconut. It smells like a peppermint. So excited for that. This retailed for $4.48. So, like I said, the box was only $7. So you definitely get close to the price point of what you purchased. A little bit more, but it's not going to be like a $20. This definitely wasn't a $20 box. Because I'm going to add everything up in the end to see exactly how much everything is. But excited for that. And then I got a extra strength palm relief cream. It says instant cooling with 10% menthol from a brand called Sagali Naturals. Let's see. Look your best when you feel your best. This is instantly soothing pain relief cream. Is a plant-based, clean alternative to chemical-packed products. And it effectively eliminates minor pain so you can feel more you. So that's what it looks like. And how many items did we get? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let me add everything up. Hold on. Okay, so I calculated what I could because a lot of this stuff is not full size, so I'm not going to know the price. But it's $7.87 for what I added up. I added up the soap, the pack of moisture mask, and the lip balm, and that was $7.87. But I couldn't really give you guys a price of these because it's not an actual full-size item. So I want to say the box is probably worth $10. And, I mean, $10 from $7, you don't really get anything, like I was saying, anything. Like, sometimes when you get subscription boxes, you know, you could spend $50, but the box is like $100 value. Here, you're not gonna go. It's not gonna go too much past the value, but I still say it's just cool and fun to just get new things, and I don't mind if I don't like one or two things because I only pay $7 for the box. So it's a fun way just to try some new stuff. And honestly, I always like everything in these boxes. So excited to try my new stuff. What do you guys think about this box? If you guys have a Walmart beauty box. Now, Target has a beauty box as well, but that one is like not a revolving monthly subscription. Every single month you have to go on the site and try to get it. And I'm not going through all that drama to get a subscription box. Like, I tried in the beginning, like, to go and get a Target box, but they're always sold out. And to do that every single month and try to get a box, and it's just not that serious. It really isn't. So that's why I love the Walmart, because it's a revolving monthly subscription box, which a lot of people don't know about, and you get to try fun stuff for not even $10. So it's a win-win for me. Let me know what you guys think about this box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Your girl is slowly getting back into doing her videos again. You guys know I've been booked and busy, but I'm back and I'm going to try to do more and more videos as the time frees up for me. Thank you guys so much for watching.